Here is the easiest and fastest way to create a professional certificate for free. Jump to Canva's app, go to the search bar and search here certificate. Both free and paid templates are available. If you are a beginner, then you can choose any free template. And if you have Canva Pro plan, then you can also use paid elements. But in this video, I will tell you how to make a certificate completely from scratch. Go to Elements and search here White Abstract Background. Now use this trick and click on Free. This will show all free elements. Go to Photos and choose any best background for your certificate. Let's choose this one. Again, search here corner border. Go to graphics and again use the same trick. All free objects will be shown on your screen. Now duplicate this design and flip it, adjust on the other side. Slightly reduce the size. Again go to Elements and choose a square shape. Drag this shape to increase its size. Now change the color and go to stroke weight. Increase the width. Now change the position to backward. Now go to text box and add a heading. Type your text here. Adjust on the upper side. Change the font size. Now duplicate this and type your next text. Now change font size as well. Let's choose the font style. Choose this one and change all. Again go to elements and insert a line. Reduce the width, slightly increase the width and adjust here. Again choose a single line, increase the border width and adjust. Now search here badge, go to graphics and again use the same trick, choose free option and choose any free element. This one is matching, so let's choose this. Let's change the font color. Now go to effects and choose this one. Once your certificate is ready, go to share option and click on download. You can download your certificate in both JPG format, PNG, PDF standard and PDF print. So I am choosing PDF print and click on download. Now try this method and make your certificate completely for free.